te odio, ella. No me pegues. Te odio. Why?
You're cheating on me?
Who said that?
I saw you kissing that panther.
Sorry, Nathan. The heart wants and the heart wants.
I'm gonna give you some heart. I'm gonna take your heart and throw it on the ground and stomp on it.
Try it.
You're pathetic.
How am I pathetic?
You can't have me and that piece of kitten.
Well, the kid's so cute, but then you're a man.
It's either me or nothing. Can't have both. It doesn't work like that.
Yes.
Why not? I want
It's me
both.
or nothing.
I want both.
You can't have both. After all that I've been through for you, I sacrificed all of this. My life, my work, for you.
I'm sorry.
I gave it all up so I could be with you. And then I catch you on that couch with that little rat.
That thing is so cute, though. It's like
He needs a
adorable.
haircut.
It's so adorable, but then you're so undescribable.
He can't give you what I can give you. He can't even talk.
So first,
What else do you want me to do?
I don't know.
I'm going to walk out that door. And if you don't stop me in a cute little way, like they do on the movies, we're over.
No, don't go.